Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is no ordinary smartphone, it's a revolution in the world of mobile technology. In this video, we're going to dive deep into all the incredible features and specifications of this device that make it a must-have for tech enthusiasts. So, let's unfold the future together. Before we jump into the amazing features, let's unbox this beauty and see what's inside. But before that, make sure you've subscribed to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech updates. Inside the box, you'll find the Galaxy Z Fold 5 itself, a charging cable, a power adapter, the S Pen, and some documentation. The device itself looks sleek and modern, with a phantom black finish. Now, let's talk about what sets the Galaxy Z Fold 5 apart, its expansive 7.6-inch screen. This is like having a mini cinema in your pocket. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, movies, or gaming on the go, this screen delivers an immersive experience that's second to none. With the Galaxy Z Fold 5, gaming is taken to a whole new level. You can play games on the cover screen or unfold it for a more immersive experience. The high refresh rate and minimal input delays ensure that your gaming experience is as smooth as it can get. Multitasking has never been easier. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 introduces dual app viewing, allowing you to use two apps side by side. This is perfect for productivity and convenience. You can drag and drop photos into a text message, shop on two sites simultaneously, or even watch videos while scrolling through your social feed. For all you creative minds out there, the S Pen capability on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a game changer. You can now write directly on the large screen, making it effortless to switch from to-do lists to doodling or taking notes in a breeze. Flex Mode is another standout feature. It allows for hands-free usage, making tasks like video calling, chatting with friends, or taking notes during a call incredibly easy. Just put your Galaxy Z Fold 5 in Flex Mode, and you're good to go. Now, let's address durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is Samsung's most robust foldable yet. It features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 external protection, ensuring your device can handle everyday wear and tear. Plus, it's IPX8 water resistant, so you can unfold your world without worrying about where life takes you. And of course, we can't forget about design. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a head-turner. When folded, it's compact and stylish, but when you unfold that massive 7.6-inch screen, heads will definitely turn. And guess what? It comes in 3 unique colors to match your style. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. With its expansive screen, incredible features, and unmatched versatility, it's redefining the smartphone experience in 2023. Whether you're a gamer, a multitasker, or a creative professional, this device has something for everyone. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you're as excited about this device as we are, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video with your tech-savvy friends. And of course, subscribe for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.